In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default calendar Google Calendar. If you've ever created an event and realized it ended up on the wrong calendar, maybe on your personal one instead of work, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to switch it over quickly and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account so you can access your calendars. Once your calendar loads, choose the event you want to work with. You can either click an existing event on your schedule or start a new one if you're creating something from scratch. If you selected an existing event, click the pencil icon to open the full editing view. That's where all the details live: title, time, guests, notifications, and most importantly, for this tutorial, which calendar the event belongs to. If you just created a new event, you may already be in this editing view. Either way, make sure you're looking at the full event details. In the editing screen, find the calendar dropdown. It's typically near the top of the event details and shows the current calendar name and color. Click that dropdown to open the list of calendars connected to your account. You'll see options like personal, work, or any shared calendars you have access to. Choose the calendar you want this event to live on. This selection controls the event's color in your schedule, who can see it based on that calendar's sharing settings, and which default reminders or notifications apply. If you're moving an event to a shared calendar, make sure you have permission to add events there. Otherwise, you won't be able to save the change. Before wrapping up, take a quick moment to review the event details. Confirm the date and time, the guests, and your notification preferences, especially if changing calendars affects who can view the event. When everything looks right, click Save. Your event is now assigned to the calendar you selected. On your main calendar view, you'll usually notice the event color update to match that calendar, which is a helpful visual confirmation. If you made changes to an event with guests, they may receive an update notification depending on your settings. A quick tip: when creating new events in the future, open the same calendar dropdown before saving to make sure you're placing the event on the correct calendar from the start. It's a small step that helps keep work, personal, and shared commitments neatly organized. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Calendar tips and tutorials.